morning, teachers. I take privilege in this moment and I welcome you all for this wonderful session. I am Suganya, working as a TGT in Ramsings International School, Mathapur. Today we are going to see CBSE Class 10 Social Science, History Chapter 2, Nationalism in India. So, how nationalism grew in Indians? Modern nationalism in India grew through the various struggles against British rule. So, different groups of people were united despite they had variety of experience and ideas of freedom. Mahatma Gandhi and various leaders of Congress, they tried hard to unite these all groups. It was not easy to unite them. So, there were many challenges, conflict in achieving uniting the people, different groups of people. So this chapter focuses in various movements called non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement in the period of 1920s and 1930s. So non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement played a key role in spreading the idea of nationalism. Various groups also involved in all the movements and they influenced by the movements. Now we are going to see First World War, Khilafat and non-cooperation movement. First World War, Khilafat movement and non-cooperation movement. So in 1919, India nationalist movement reached more areas and involved more people with new ways of fighting against British rule. So the First World War happened in 1914 and 1918. It created many political and economical effects. What are the effects of First World War? It raised the taxes, increased the prices of food crops, forced soldier recruitment in the villages. Crops were failure, so these all were stressed the Indian people. And what was accomplished to this? Deadly influenza outbreak. By that time, people was in a great struggle. So people hoped when the war gets over, the situation will get normalized. But actually what happened? It did not happen. So they were expecting for something else. What was that? Who was that leader? And what was that new way? Who's the leader is going to come? Can you guess?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes, you're right. He was Mahatma Gandhi. So the idea of Satyagraha. So in 1915, Mahatma Gandhi he returned from South Africa that he successfully organized a Satyagraha against color discrimination. So after reaching here, India, he organized 3 more Satyagrahas. What is Satyagraha? Actually, Satyagraha is not a physical force. If we are standing in the side of truth, we can easily put a struggle against the injustice. So it is not a physical force. Gandhiji believed that non-violence could bring Indians together and lead Satyagraha movement in different places. What are the different places we can see now? In 1917, he organized a Satyagraha in Champaran. It is for peasants, oppressive plantation system, Bihar. Champaran